Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show with you how to create a 3 size document. So guys, go to Canva website and search for here search bar for A3 size, search for A3 and document, click this one, result. As you can see here guys, this is a 3 document template and you find a lot of templates. Some is pro and some is free. Just click, if you want to sample template, just click this one. As you can see here, this format is sample. If you want the template guys, just click here. You can see this template and you can edit easily. This is black, white and pink line art. And scroll down and you find a lot of templates. You can see this here, it's good, and you can choose any template for your project or something like this. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content.